is Ashish Thukral. I am the general manager of Avi Additives Private Limited. We are actually manufacturing a master batches, color master batch, black master batches, filler master batches, and the additives, which is are using for giving the colors to the plastic. And we are one of the largest manufacturer in Hyderabad also. Today is the second day. There's multiple inquiries are coming right now, and let's say hope that in the evening also there are good inquiries for the master batches. Like tomorrow is Sunday also, the persons are free there, and the inquiries must come tomorrow also, like that. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pragya Tibriwala and I'm the director of AVI Additives Private Limited. And we are one of the largest manufacturers in master batches and fillers. And we also make additives. And today we are here exhibiting in HIPLEX. And this has been a very good platform for people to connect and for people to meet and exchange ideas and lot of innovation and lot of, new techniques, at least I have come through. So it's been a wonderful experience. And we have our factories in Hyderabad. And you can Google and know more about our company and connect with us. So thank you so much.